Hello and welcome back. So here we are with another American lock uh, that I picked up off of eBay. Kind of excited about this one. It's an American shutter lock. I have not seen too many of these. However, it works smoothly. Does not have a model number on it or a date code anywhere. Says American lock on it though. Does have the normal American style key. It says American Lock Company on it. Come on, focus. There we go. And there is the bidding on the key. So I thought I would open this up. Wow. Hadn't noticed that before, though. Let's see if we can get it to make that out. That clearly says China. So apparently, American locks are out in China now, or made in China now. At least this one was. So, all right, I'm learning a lot about American locks here lately. Didn't know they put standard pins in them, and I also didn't know that they were making them in China. So, all right, let's put it in the vise and see how tough this one is. Let's find my 50,000 spray bar. Oh, there it is. Should work, and it does. And that is a larger style keyway, so I could probably use my gem. And let's zoom in for you. Let's see what we have here. There we go. Start in the back and look for the binder. A little bit heavier tension. Okay, that was 4. 1. Feels like standard pins. 3. 2. I think I overset. Huh. 2 and 1. And it's open. Okay. Yeah, all standard pins in that one as well. Well, that was a little bit disappointing, actually. Kind of hoped that this shutter lock would have put up a little bit more fight than that. But you get what you get. Well, this is the American shutter lock. I don't know the model number because it doesn't have one. But no way to get these. But I can tell you that it was definitely standard pens. So hope this video was informational, and thank you for watching, and don't break the law.